Hello learners, welcome to the class. Now we will learn about inserting um, bar chart in Power BI. For this, open a new Power BI desktop, then go to Excel workbook. If your data is in MS Excel format, go there. And I'm importing the data called sample data Power BI. I have shared the link to download the sample data set in the description below. You can download and work along with me. So here the navigator pan opens. We can see here two sheets are appearing. Uh, my Excel workbook contains two sheets, namely table 1 and data. And my data is there in the data only. The sheet name called data. So I'm going to load that sheet alone. So click load, check this button and click load. Then it is getting loaded into the add to your report tab. Since the data set is little more, it takes few seconds to load into the Power BI desktop. So the data is loaded here. So first of all, we need to understand there is a report view and table view and model view. The previous video I have explained to you what is report view and what is table view and what is model view. Then here you can see build a visual option here. If you expand this arrow, here we can see a lot of visuals types are here. For example, this is one a staked bar chart and this one is a staked column chart. This is clustered bar chart, clustered column chart and goes on. Based on the requirement of the data and based on the requirement of the visual to be appeared, we can choose any options to build a visual. So now, as we discussed in the previous video, let us insert a text box and let us resize it and some appealing work. We are going to insert a bar chart. So the name is bar chart. Increase the font size, increase the change the name of the font, then bring it to the center, then change the color, change the background, go to size and style, under visual, under format text box, background, expand this arrow, then the color appears, then select any one color. I'm going to select this one. Okay, then visual border on. Or the font's color is not good. I'm going to keep it as black. Okay, again it's not good, it's not appealing, so let me change it to any lighter color. Okay, let it be. So what is important? The bar chart is important. So select the data you want to compare. I want to compare the price per unit and with respect to the state. So here the default chart is appearing here. So the default chart is clustered bar chart, but I'm not interested in this clustered bar chart, so I'm going to select the staked bar chart. So select this, and here in build a visual, the staked bar chart is inserted. Now we can change the color of it, and we can also change the ribbons, data labels. Data labels we can add by selecting this, and more options we can choose. Under the more option, we can change the x-axis name, y-axis name, then the bars. We can change the color of the bar. Just select under the bars, select the color. So the color, let us choose from more colors. Let us select um, let us select this blue. So like this, we can also change the name. Just select the title, and here the prices are compared across states, price versus state. Then bold it, change the text color by selecting here, and bring it to the center, increase the size, increase the font size, price state wise. That wise is not appearing here. Okay. So similarly, we can also change the x-axis names. It's a state, let it be, and the x-axis name is price, sum of price per unit, but I want to keep it as price only. So the price, how it is different from one state to another state. So it shows here in this font is also very small. Let me increase it to 19, and the font name is Arial, and I'm making it bold. Then here also I'm changing this one. Okay, so here in Maharashtra, the prices, the given data shows the product is sold at 59 rupees, and in Tamil Nadu it is sold 39 rupees 70 paise, and the Andhra Pradesh, the price is sold at 30 rupees. So this shows how much the price is varying across the state from the given data. So this is how we can insert a bar chart to compare the given data. Thank you.